Two of the biggest names in crypto trading go head-to-head, Kraken versus eToro. Which platform truly comes out on top? On one side, we've got Kraken, the powerhouse known for its advanced trading features. On the other, eToro, the user-friendly giant famous for its social trading experience. We're comparing them across what really matters: fees, security, user experience, coin selection, and more. No hype, no jargon, just a real look at what sets these platforms apart. Every category will earn points, so by the end you'll know exactly who wins in each department. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. So here's a quick look at what we're comparing today. We've got fees, asset selection, security, social and copy trading, regulation and trust, the user experience, and finally, support and learning. A lot to cover, right? Let's dive in. Okay, first up, let's talk about fees. Kraken is honestly pretty transparent and their trading fees are super competitive, especially if you're trading big volumes or using Kraken Pro. And this is key, if you go for instant buy, the fees suddenly jump up. eToro, well, no commissions on stocks or ETFs, which sounds great, but here's the catch. Crypto spreads are a bit higher and there are those sneaky withdrawal or conversion fees if you're not careful. So overall, Kraken gets the edge here. Now for asset selection, this one's kinda fun. Kraken is a pure crypto beast, over 220 different cryptos including some rare staking and DeFi tokens. And this is a big but, they don't offer stocks or forex, nothing outside of crypto really. eToro on the other hand, they're going wide. Crypto, stocks, ETFs, even commodities and forex, you can even copy trade themed portfolios. The only thing is their crypto selection isn't as massive as Kraken and some stock options are region locked. Still, eToro totally takes this round. Let's chat security, and honestly, if you're nervous about your money, Kraken should make you feel pretty good. Their security record is next level: cold storage, regular audits, real deal 2FA. Maybe a little too strict sometimes with verifications, but hey, that's better than the alternative. eToro's regulated all over, but they've had some awkward moments in the past, especially around crypto security and the whole social trading risk. So yeah, Kraken absolutely wins here. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. Kraken, named after that massive sea monster from legend, while eToro literally means the bull in Spanish. Pretty wild, right? Okay, back to it. Now, something people always ask about: social and copy trading. Kraken doesn't really play in this space, it's for pros who want trading tools, end of story. eToro, this is like their whole vibe. You get a feed, you can watch what everyone's doing, literally copy top investors' moves. Of course, follow the wrong person and yeah, things can get messy. But if you like learning from others, eToro easily wins this one. Regulation and trust next. Both are actually surprisingly solid. Kraken works closely with US and EU regulators, super compliant, but their fiat withdrawals can be a headache in certain regions. eToro, they're everywhere, multi-jurisdictional regulation, and they're actually owned by a public company. But the US version of eToro is kinda stripped down, plus they've had run-ins with regulators in the past. Honestly, it's pretty close, so it's a tie here. Alright, user experience time. Kraken's got a nice clean UI whether you're doing normal trades or hitting advanced mode, but that beginner mode, it's kinda basic. eToro though, this is where they shine. Everything in one place, from crypto to stocks to copy trading. That social feed is super easy to use. It gets a little busy and cluttered if you go deep, but overall, eToro pulls ahead. Last but not least, support and learning. For real, Kraken's support is legendary. 24/7 live chat, solid help center, and they've gone all in on educational stuff. The only thing is, now and then you might run into some delays during verification or withdrawals. eToro, well, the guides are great and it's got a huge community, but support can be hit or miss and sometimes you're waiting a while on busy days. So Kraken clearly takes it. Alright, so you can kinda see the shape of things now. Kraken is crushing it in security, fees, and support, while eToro shines when it comes to assets, user experience, and social features. You get a very different vibe depending on what you want. So who wins? Well, here's how I see it. If you're straight up serious about crypto, security is your top priority and you want to nerd out with advanced tools, Kraken is your place. But if you want to dabble in everything, crypto, stocks, even copy the pros, and you love that community vibe, eToro is your jam. Personally, I'd pick Kraken if I was going deep into crypto. But for more casual or social trading, eToro's a blast. If this helped you out or you just love these deep dives, don't forget to follow for more no-nonsense platform reviews. We're breaking down the real stuff, so stay tuned.